If you're familiar with my videos, I often take questions from local consumers. Today we have Rufus from Clearwater Beach with a very interesting question. Rufus?
Matt, I was involved in a car accident in 2005, and I hired a local attorney who I only met one time. In fact, I accidentally ran into him in the grocery store, and he did not even recognize me as his client. How would you compare your firm and the personal service that you give to my experience?
Well, to start with, my whole business has been built on word of mouth of former and current clients, and we take this approach very seriously to the extent that my cell phone number appears on my business card. I'm always available. If I don't answer, I return all calls same day as received. I know my clients. I often meet them at the sign-up, and if not, I talk to them shortly thereafter, but they meet an attorney at my firm. Now, the handling attorney will often supply their cell phone number, and the managing partner of the firm, which is myself, my number is on my card. It's also on my website. It's important that clients build a relationship with their attorney and the case not being run by a case manager or a paralegal or a legal assistant. Now, with many of the television law firms in the Tampa Bay area, you'll have an attorney that'll tell you that he's your attorney for life, or he's for this or for that, and he wants to be your attorney forever. And the truth is, you're probably never going to meet that attorney. You're probably not going to meet an attorney at all. And if you do, it's rare, and they might not know who you are because they work on volume. These are volume shops. That's to be contrasted with what we are. We're a quality shop. You can either do quality or you can do volume. It's very difficult to do both. It's difficult to bring in a couple hundred cases a month and know who each client is, know the differences and nuances with each client and the differences between their cases, and how to maximize the value of the case. We're not a cookie cutter assembly line. Okay? We're not mass producing personal injury cases at our office. Our goal is to maximize the damages for each and every case, put on the best presentation we can for the insurance company, illustrating the true medical injuries our client has through objective medical documentation. If we can't get the case resolved, we're going to litigate it. We have the financial resources, take the case to the courtroom if need be. But the truth is, at the end of the day, we're here to do the best job we can for each and every client. This isn't a volume shop. I depend on my former clients and current clients to get my next client. That's how we built the business, and that's how we will remain. You pay for me, you get me. You hire me, you get me. I'm your attorney, I'm your attorney for life. I'm not for the people, I'm for you, the injury victim. I'm Matt Dolman, offices, Clearwater.